my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am here to bring you some products from HiPark.com. They reached out to me and offered a little collaboration, and they would send me these products for free for review, and so I can show you what they offer. So what do they offer? Well, they offer 3D wood carvings, regular wood carving type figurines, ornaments. Now, their inspiration is endangered or extinct animals that are on our planet. They buy back used wood to make their own wooden boards or planks so that they can carve these into the decor. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me. This is how it came, and I opened it already because I wanted to check it out, but it was so well sealed that I didn't want to. So I have 3 items, 2 of which I remember what they are. The other one, I know what it is, but I don't know what it is. I finally got it. So here is the first little item. We're going to start with the small one. Wow, okay, everything is very well packaged and sealed. Okay. More bubble wrap. Ah, yes, I remember choosing this now. Okay. But yeah, HiPark, they really want to remain sustainable, use a renewable resource, cut down on carbon emissions, save trees from being cut down, which is why they buy old wood and recycle it. Ooh, that is so pretty. So that's what that looks like. It is a butterfly ornament. These can be used all year round. You can put them on your Christmas tree. You can decorate on a board that has pegs. Now, it did come with a piece of twine. Okay, now inside. So we have the butterfly, right? Okay, look at that. Now, inside is a scene. It looks like a tropical scene. So we've got palm trees and a sun up here, and we've got other trees on the inside. And then there's just a background. But there's like 3 layers. There's the front, the middle, and the back. That's what it looks like on the side, which is really kind of cool. And that's the back. Isn't that pretty? These usually run $12.99. Now, if you use my code, you can save 20% off of your first purchase. And you get free shipping for orders over $79.99. But you can save 20% on this. So that was that one. Now let's look at this one. So this one comes in a box of its own. Here we go. This is just a card, tells you a little bit about who they are. They're a home decor brand started with conscientious of the environment and wild animals. Everything we curate is designed in-house by our creative and detail-oriented designers and produced in partnership with our exclusive, sustainable, and ethical factory. We are here to raise awareness of the environment on our planet as well as wild animals, to support organizations that make this planet a better place. Every piece we sell is made out of recycled wood, and the paints we use are also certified as sustainable. We devote ourselves to the environment and sustainability, and we committed giving to nonprofit organizations to help make this planet a better place. All right. Well, thank you, HiPark. So once I took the card off, it looks like it has a layer of foam. I adore horses. And this horse is even thicker than the butterfly. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. So we've got horses, a backdrop, trees in there. Now, I know you notice a cord. That's because this thing lights up. I'm going to give you a little video of that, what it looks like. But these run about $32.99. They have a whole bunch of animals and scenes available. I love this one. I'm going to put that back in the box. Very pretty. Now this one. Smaller card. Same thing. We've got the... Now this one I know my daughter will like. So I did get it for her. It also lights up. It's packaged in a very nice little nest of recycled, whatever this is. Paper? I have no idea. So here is the back. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers as well. Just look at the detail. Aren't these beautiful? Now this is what they look like with their lights on. Now again, use my code down below to save 20% on your first order. And I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.